Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing a product that has been a lifesaver for my skin lately. Now if you've got dry skin, flaky skin, rough skin, especially during this cold weather, your skin is normally dry, but in winter, you all know it tends to get really dry because I've got dry skin myself, so I know what I'm talking about when I say dry skin. My skin is extremely dry, but I found a product that has been amazing for my skin. The Mixa Cica Repair Cream is a body cream. It contains 10% urea and niacinamide. Now, during cold weather, urea is one ingredient that I look for in my body cream. It's a natural humidifier that helps draw moisture into the skin, but also acts as a gentle exfoliant to smooth and soften the skin. It's particularly beneficial during cold weather when skin tends to get drier. So this cream is designed to provide intense hydration for up to 48 hours. Like I said, it's formulated with urea, which not deeply moisturize but also help to exfoliate, smooth out rough, dry patchy skin. It also contains centella asiatica, known for its calming skin repairing property. It has a little fragrance, but it's not too overpowering, and the texture is rich and creamy, but it absorbs well without leaving any greasy residue. I use this every day and it leaves my skin feeling soft, hydrated, and protected throughout the day. Honestly, this cream has been my absolute savior. The 48 hours hydration really held up. This cream is perfect for anyone struggling with dry skin or rough skin, flaky skin, or sensitivity, especially during this colder months. So if you're looking for something affordable yet effective, this cream is definitely worth trying. Check this out. It's really not expensive. It's available on Amazon, super affordable. I think you can find it on pharmacy, your local store, or in the supermarket. And the thing is, sometimes when you see a cream that is really affordable, you'll be like, I don't think this is gonna work. I mean, if what you're looking for in a body cream that is gonna hydrate your skin, smooth out rough patches, flaky skin, you know, while maintaining your natural color, give this cream a try. Okay, that's my review. Have you tried it yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe for more skincare review if you want to see more skincare review. You can also follow me on TikTok. I post skincare videos on my TikTok page almost every day. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.